I'm Bella and I'm doing level 2 Catering Hospitality, and I was at a different college before I came to Guildford College, but I really wasn't enjoying my courses and the staff there weren't really very helpful. But now I've come here, I feel like I've progressed so much in myself and what I'm doing, and I'm really enjoying the course.
I decided to come to Guildford College because for me, the staff here and the other students really sold me the college, whereas when I was searching for colleges I didn't really find that. And not only that, this has got the section that I really want to work in, so that's why I came to this college.
My two teachers are Barry and Martin. I think they're both very welcoming when I first come for my induction day, and I find that throughout the course they push me.
They're just always there, they answer any questions. They're very, very helpful and they understand not everyone's confident cooking certain dishes, so they're always push you though. If they feel like you can do it, they'll push you. And it's nice to be pushed and challenged, and then you get a nice range of skill sets and everything.
When I first come to college I didn't have much confidence at all, and everything that I was asked to do I sort of stepped back from it. Having the confidence from this college has helped me outside, getting confidence to get a job.
The other students in my group, we're varied in skills, but everyone really gets along and we all have a laugh in the kitchen. And everyone is all working together to get a good product at the end.
Sometimes I feel a bit of pressure in the kitchen because it does get very intense at times. But I think as long as you all work as a team within the kitchen, you'll get where you want to be.
I'm currently studying level 2 but hoping to go on to level 3. And level 3 will just widen my skill set so I can do both sides of the industry. So I can do patisserie, and then I'll also be able to do the meat and poultry sides, which is really good because at the minute I really like both sides.
So every other week we'll be on the rota. You get the public in every day for lunches, but you'll either be cooking or you'll be serving. So it's good that you get the both skills on the one course.
Catering was my highest GCSE at school, so I thought that I wanted to stay around the industry that I'd got better at school. I'm enjoying the course and I'm enjoying working with people that I've become friends with since starting last year. And I think that it's nice to help other people around as well. I'm hoping to hopefully have my own restaurant one day and follow in the footsteps of all the chefs at this college who've helped teach me all the skills that I've learned over the last 2 years.
I think I'd quite like to progress to be in management because I think that's something that I'm good at and something that I do well in, but I'd quite like to travel around the world and learn different ways of cooking, different methods, different recipes, and then hopefully open my own restaurant.
When I leave college I hope to, I'm already working in the industry, but I hope to go on to progress in the industry and then maybe someday open my own restaurant. And then I did wish when I was younger to open a Michelin star, but it's a lot of work, so just maybe open my own restaurant.